Good morning. Put them in the nest so they don't run away. Don't be ugly. Don't. I'll whoop you. I'll whoop you. Where are your babies going? What is that, Brewster? You ain't never seen them, have you? That's your babies. That's your babies. Hey, little one. Hi. Hi, don't you come out of here. Don't you do it. Hi. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Well, come on. Come on. Oh, look, he's so little. He's so little. Hi. Oh my goodness, Tippy Toe. They're so sweet. Hi. You're cute. You're cute. You might be a Frankie. You might. Girls, calm down over there. Look how little you are. Hi. Rooster, look what you did. Look what you did. Oh my goodness gracious. I just want to squeeze him. Oh.